This tutorial is for any Windows users or anyone who doesn't want to develop locally. I'll be using a service called Python Anywhere. You should sign up for a free account. I'm in no way connected to Python Anywhere. I just think it's a really easy way to get started with Django online. I'll log into my account, and then I'll click the Help tab in the navbar and go to step-by-step guides for some common tasks. I'll click on the Django tutorial, and then I'll go to the Django tutorial on the Python Anywhere wiki page. When we are done setting up Django and Python Anywhere, you will be all set to take the course and follow me step by step as I build a website that accepts Stripe payments. The first thing I need to do is I'll open a new dashboard tab, and I'll create a new bash console by clicking bash. Go back to the tutorial page, and it says I need to create a new virtual environment. Virtual environments make sure none of my project dependencies conflict. So to create a new virtual environment, copy this, go to your bash console, and paste it in. Close my bash console. But instead of Python 3.4, I'll be using Python 2.7. The virtual environment will be called Django 17. Just to follow the tutorial to make it a little bit easier, but you could call it whatever you want. It's going to take a couple of minutes to install, but hopefully it won't be too long. And then after I've installed my virtual environment, I'll install Django. So let's see. There we go. The virtual environment is installed. And I know that my virtual environment is activated because I could see the virtual environment name, Django 17, in between brackets. Remember, now that the virtual environment is active, anything I install on it will be self-contained. This prevents other dependencies from conflicting with this project. I'll be using a Python package installer called pip to install Django. So type pip install Django equals 1.7.2. That's the version I'll be using. This might take a couple minutes to install, so I'll end this video here, and I'll pick it up on the next one, where we'll finish installing Django.